Alright, what's going on, guys? Today's episode, we're working on my Silvia. I don't know if you guys remember, I blew the I blew the bags on it, and I went static on the middle of the road. So you get it static, and then we got the bags on this side. So now I'm gonna fix the front bags. I'm gonna show you how to replace them. And I'm gonna put them on, put the rims on, put the big wing back on, and have some fun with it the rest of this summer. Because I haven't even taken her out. I've been busy working on army stuff and other stuff. But stay tuned and watch how this is done. This is how they look. That's one of them. Here's the other one. All right, so first thing you want to do, you want to put something between right here, this between where the bolts go, so you don't crush it. So you put that between there, and then put it here and close it. Close it down so it doesn't come too close. And what you're gonna do, loosen this. Like that. All right, so then take off the top, slide it out, this top piece. Careful, because it has two pieces, it comes apart. So you have this piece at the bottom and a piece on top. And they just slide in there. So just slide them in there and leave them alone. And put them inside. And now we're gonna remove this fitting. The fitting comes out. This is hard, so I'm not gonna reuse anything from here. So what I did, I used a hammer and I just hit it. turn it all the way out. No threads. That's the only way I could get them out. So you fuck up all these threads. Like I said, you ain't reusing this, so that's trash. Now, here, that's why they all lubed up. So if you see lube in here, if you see wet, don't worry about it because you're gonna need it. So then you slide it in. You heard it click. So then you start threading it down all the way until you can't go anymore. So that's it. Now, what do you want to do? You want to put these back on here. Put the nut back and tighten it. And you want to make sure it's tight. To it's tight. Once it's tight, you're good to go. Now you can install your air ride back in, put the fitting back in here, whatever fitting you're using, the hose. They sent me the hose. It's gonna go like that, and then we're gonna put it on the car. Stay tuned. All right, so I removed the static struts. It's only 3 bolts on top. Mount to the tower right there. And then 2 bolts here. And you gotta take the brake lines off and stuff. Speed sensor. Now I'm gonna install the air ride back on the car. So you can see I removed both sides. And then I'm just gonna briefly show you because I really don't have too much time to like make the video, but this is what I got so far, so just follow through. All right, so here's how I routed the line here. So I just tied it right there, and so it's freely, it moves freely, so we're good there. And then here, like that. So if you turn the wheel, that way it moves freely. If you turn it the other way, boom, perfect. So that's how we do it. Now put the wheels on, air it up, and see what happens. All right, so everything's installed. Put the wheels back on, the wing, and she's holding air, no leaks, so ready to go. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell joint. Peace. and follow that joint.